So I'm trying to start the car on a consistent basis at least once a month. Today is February 1st. The car cover just fell back on the glass. But yeah, today is February 1st, 2025. And so just want to start the car up. I miss driving it. But also just to keep the fluids running. It seems like because every time it sits, all the power steering fluid leaks out and then some of the brake fluid. So it definitely has some leaks somewhere, major leaks. I still have to get that rear view mirror fixed as well because it fell off. But without pumping the pedal, let's see if it starts straight up. Oh, sounds like the battery did. Yep, the battery did. Huh. Okay. And this is why I guess it's good to have a battery maintainer because the battery's dead. So I'm not able to start it. So I do have a battery pack in the house. I'm going to go and charge it. Then I'll come back out here later on to start it. To put it on the car to start it. So stay tuned.